Dental emergencies can happen anywhere and at any time, and if you lose a filling or crown, it's important to get it fixed quickly. With Dentemp Cap and Filling Repair, you can be prepared for dental mishaps no matter where you are. Dentemp Cap and Filling Repair is the premium dental cement that temporarily repairs loose caps and lost fillings while providing instant pain relief until you can see your dentist. It's so easy to use and sets quickly, so you can eat and drink 2 hours after application. For lost fillings, simply scoop a small amount of material from the vial with the applicator. With wet fingers, form the material into a ball, then press firmly into the cavity and scrape away any excess material. For caps and crowns, scoop a small amount of material from the vial and place it along the inside edge of the open end of the crown. Place the crown back on the tooth and bite firmly. Dentemp Cap and Filling Repair will help protect your tooth and provide soothing pain relief so you can get back to normal until you can see your dentist for a more long-term repair solution. No one knows when a dental emergency will strike, but everyone can be prepared with Dentemp Cap and Filling Repair.